Hi, everybody, and welcome to the Laura and Tobin Show. I'm Tobin Schaefer.
And I'm Laura Waltz.
And we're here with our monthly stats show for the Laura and Tobin Show. And where are we starting?
We're going to start in Santa Clara County.
Alrighty.
We're going to take a look at what was happening, up through September.
Okay.
So, the first chart we've got here is our active listings versus the number of solds. Active listings were down 22% in September of 2020 over October of 2019.
Okay, yeah, year over year.
Yeah,
Gotcha.
year over year.
Okay.
So
I'm looking over there they've been pretty steady through the summer.
Right, been pretty steady through the summer, but just to kind of give some context to what was happening this time last year versus what's happening this time this year.
Sure.
So we're down 22% over this time last year.
Okay.
Sales were up 18.9% over that same period.
Okay, so listings are down and solds are up?
Yep. And so, kind of same thing we've been seeing for the last few months. Not a lot of inventory.
But market is moving.
Market is moving. Let's check out our next slide to talk about the days on... this is prices.
Yes.
Sorry. So... these prices are September came in just over 1.5 million in Santa Clara County for the average sales price. And it was up just a little bit over even August, which was over 1.5 million as well. So,
and if you've been thinking about selling, prices are holding.
Yep. And that is partially because of the low inventory and the strong demand. I mean, that's sort of what drives these prices right now.
Yeah, as in any market. Yeah, that makes sense.
It's up this price right now here in September, up 15% from where we were last November. So that's you can see on the chart, it's mostly moving in an upward trajectory. You got a couple months here and there that, so really, really kind of same picture we've been talking about for the last few months.
Still trending.
Mm-hmm.
Still trending in a positive market, at least in the sense of where you're at with trying to sell. Obviously, as a buyer, if you've been sitting on the fence, I don't know how that's working, but we can certainly be able to help you and to get active into negotiating for good prices. They're still out there to be had. These are the full stats for the county for condos and
for single family residences.
Homes,
and obviously different neighborhoods and different communities come in at different price points. So you're not going to pay 1.5 million everywhere.
Right. So if you have a specific place you're looking for, reach out to us and we can have a little Zoom call with you and go over the specifics of an area. And then you wanted to talk about how long things have been sitting.
Yeah, how long things have been sitting. So we're looking at 21 days on market in September. And that was up one day, I believe, from August. So we're really kind of just sitting in the same.
Yeah.
The same, and I think that kind of comes back to when the pandemic started and we all went into lockdown. Nobody really knew what was going to happen to the real estate market. And then over the last couple of months, it's been like, well, is it going to change? We've kind of been seeing a trend at this point, which is low inventory, strong demand, and, not a lot of time on market. And
some of these factors that are, helping to push this strong demand is that a lot of folks are now working at home and are realizing that they need an extra room for an office or, more room for their kids to play in, a bigger yard. Mm-hmm. So they're looking for opportunities in a bigger place, which opens up places for folks who are trying to move in for a first time, or maybe they're in a condo now and they want to get into a small single family home.
Mm-hmm. And interest rates remain historically low.
Yeah, so opportunities out there and properties are shuffling. So don't miss out if you're wondering whether or not now's the time. We are happy to go over the specifics of any detail and put you in a good position to either sell or buy.
Yeah, absolutely. Well,
awesome.
Thanks so much. We will be back again next month, obviously, to take a look at how things are going in October.
Uh-huh.
This is usually the time of the year where people expect to see some changes in the market, and we'll see what we find out.
Yeah, we'll bring you the numbers, and the numbers don't lie.
Yeah.
So thanks for
Thanks
tuning
everybody.
in. All right. Bye.